guys, Scott at Next Level Motorsport. Just a little public service announcement for those of you that want to install your own clutch. Up in here, throwout bearing, this base plate of it here is meant to be on the other side of the clutch pressure plate. It should be pulling from the inside of the pressure plate to the outside. If you don't do it that way, you'll end up with what's going on here, and it basically pulls the snap ring out the back of it and causes you a whole lot of grief and money when you want to get it fixed. Second quick tip. May not seem as obvious to everyone, but if you're going to remove your gearbox, make sure you drain your radiator and remove your top and bottom radiator hoses. What happens when that engine tilts, it's going to put a lot of pressure on this plastic end tank. If that plastic end tank cracks or snaps, you need a new radiator. At the same time, disconnect anything that is hard mounted to the chassis to the engine. It'll prevent breakages, which will save you much more money than if you break it and have to replace it. And we've already done it, but battery disconnected before you take out a starter motor. Just simple things, guys, helping you out, because we know that some of you might have to work on your own car in this challenging time that we've got ahead of us. If you do simple things like that, you will save yourself time, money, and broken parts. Cheers, guys.